Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages. All right, let's begin. First, log into GitHub and select the project you want to connect. Go to Settings, scroll down and click on Pages. Now, let's connect a GoDaddy domain. In GitHub Pages, scroll to Custom Domain. Open your GoDaddy account, go to Domains, and select the domain you want to connect. Copy the domain, return to GitHub, type www. Paste the domain and click Save. Next, we need to configure DNS settings. In GoDaddy, go to DNS for your domain. Back in GitHub, click Learn More about configuring custom domains. On the Help page, scroll to Managing a custom domain for your GitHub Pages site, and then to Configuring an Apex domain. Copy the 4 A records listed. In GoDaddy DNS, add a new A record with the name @ and paste the first IP address. Repeat for all 4 A records. Now, add one CNAME record. Scroll further on the GitHub Help page to Configuring an Apex domain. Add a CNAME record in GoDaddy DNS with www as the name. For the value, use your username.github.io. Save the record. Return to GitHub Pages, refresh the page, and wait a few minutes. Once you see DNS check successful, your domain is connected. The SSL certificate may take a few hours to generate. So that's basically how you can connect GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.